Okay, now we need to go from here on this right-hand side view and take our eye hooks and move them up into the car and then fix them to that location. So I'll go back to my move command and I'll come down here to the first eye hook. This guy right there should line up in orange, as you just saw. I'm going to move it straight up. I'm not too worried about the precise placement of it, but to get a little better view, I'll go to wireframe. Roll up on that and see if I'm actually on there just the way I want. That looks good right there. Now, I'll accept that move command, I'll right mouse click on this component, and I will fix that component, which means it locks it into place. Let's go ahead and hit the F key, and let's go back to the last one. Again, hit the move command, and again, select the bottom of my last component, move it up into the car. Let's kind of zoom up on that again, look at it, make sure that we're lined up pretty well. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, we're going to go ahead and accept that, and we're going to right mouse click, and select the component, of course, right mouse click, and fix that eye hook where it needs to be. Now we'll hit the F key to zoom out, and we'll come back to this momentarily.